Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. My standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. I've also got some fresh basil leaves, looking really, really good. Gonna roll them up here and make just a small chiffonade. Okay, there's a nice chiffonade. Fresh basil. And now I've got a piece of hard cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. Just want to do some slices here. Romaine lettuce. Consistent cuts. Cornichon. Really nice for getting into small areas like this. Minimal waste, as you can see, and a perfect cut. Yeah. Alright, so normally I cut a tomato this way. However, I'm going to cut it straight down just for demonstration purposes. I want to show you how smooth and how consistent each cut is. These are approximately 1/8 of an inch. Kind of a little julienne going on here. Look at those cuts. Ah, just a small salad I tossed together here. I'll be adding some seafood as well as some vinaigrette. Thanks for watching. Check out the sponsor and score your turbo by FA Porsche. Really, really amazing blade. I like it. Now, can your knife do that? I don't think so. Not unless you got one of these turbos. Baby is sweet. Alright, let's continue here and turn this into a julienne. Pretty nice cuts. Yeah.